Ooh, ooh, ooh. So yeah, a word of it. Hey, it's Tay again, back with another video. So today we're gonna be doing this makeup look, and this is kind of my winter routine. You know, super hydrated, super hydrated, and yeah, we're gonna be using a lot of this and a lot of moisturizer today. So I think that the word of the video should be hydration. So hydration in Chinese, parentheses simplified, is 水花. So yeah, that is the word of the video. So if you want to follow my winter makeup routine, it only takes about 30 minutes and you can be looking like this, honey boo boo. And keep on watching and I will show you how I did it. Okay, so I already went ahead and did the eyebrows and this side off camera. So now we're gonna start with this eye and I'll show you how I do it. First, I'm gonna start out by priming this eye with the LA Colors Conceal It Concealer. Yeah, if you watched my last video, you saw that I broke it, so then I just took that little thingy off. So I have to like squeeze it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. And I thought this was gonna be better than it was, but this actually hurts my eye. It feels like I'm blending with a rock. And then I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. I'm gonna take this banana shade with this Wet n Wild flat eyeshadow brush to set the concealer. And then I would leave it like that, but since I'm a little pale because it is winter, I'm going to go in. I'm not going to use an eyeshadow because that's just too much effort and I just can't do it. So I'm going to go in with this shade on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to be using the Morphe M441. It's like a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to put that into the crease to give it some definition. I'm also going to like flick this out like up here, you know. And I want to keep the crease relatively light, so I'm going to go back in with that banana shade. And I'm just going to take that on my finger and just lightly that on the lid. And now we're going to apply mascara. Oh, I'm going to go in with this black Kajal pencil by Essence, and I'm just going to line underneath just to make me look more alive. And then I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Bombshell Volume by Lash Blast. And I don't actually like this mascara very much, but a lot of my other mascaras. Since we're gonna put falsies over this, I only use the number one side. I'm eating Pitos, not Cheetos. Look. And on here it says tigers live longer than cheetahs. Tiger for theirs, and then Cheetos for Cheetos. Low key throwing shade, but it's okay because they taste good and they're healthy. Now we're gonna pop some lashes on. We're gonna go in with that Ardell Wispies. If you want to be extra, you can go in with some thicker band, bigger lashes, but I gotta go to class after this video, so I'm gonna just keep it real simple. Never blow on your lashes because it's just not sanitary, you know? You don't know what's in your mouth, okay? Okay, so that's it for the eyes. Now we're gonna move on to the face. We'll start out with moisturizer. And if you conceal over your brows, then take your moisturizer and get them lines out of there. Ain't nothing cute about being clockable, okay? And then I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu Rose Water and I'm gonna spritz the face. Oh my god, that was so cool. And then I'm gonna go in with this lifting eye cream by Arbonne. I'm gonna put this under my eyeballs. I'm gonna tap that in. if you're gonna do anything under your under eyes, make sure you use your ring fingers, even though this is only your ring finger. But I don't know, my accent nails on both of them, so I'm gonna get married twice. I saw one time that somebody said that they're the most gentle because this finger is connected to your heart. That's why it's like, I don't know, that's probably not even true, but it's cute. It's so cute. And then I'm gonna go in with this Arbonne makeup primer. Just pretty much rubbing that on my T-zone. I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me foundation in shade 220. And then I'm gonna take the foundation and I'm going to put moisturizer in it. This is gonna lighten up the color and like lighten up the coverage a little bit because my skin's being nice to me, so I don't want to cover her up all the way. She wants to be seen. So I'm just gonna mix that. I usually just mix it with the side of my brush. You can take like an actual, I don't know, actually, never mind. I don't know. I'm just gonna tap that all over. Ooh, see, now it kind of matches. Ooh. It's the same foundation, but it just like feels better, you know? Like I feel like I'm not caking it because I put moisturizer in there, so it's just gonna stay hydrated all day. Honestly, I need to invest in like a BB cream because I'm sick of putting all this stuff on my face. Just don't want to try that hard, you know? Well, at least for school. I used to get all ready for high school. I'd be like, oh, I gotta wake up 2 hours early to get all cute and stuff. Whew, once you get to college, ain't nobody care. You wake up, you go, you come home, you sleep, you go to your other class, you get some Starbucks, you go home, you go back to a class, you do some homework, you go back to a class, you do some more homework, and then you just do homework until you knock out on your laptop like I did the other night. And then for concealer, I'm just gonna go in with that same LA Colors concealer that sucks booty, but we're still gonna put it on because I don't want to open my new one. What was I gonna do? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with this rock and I'm gonna blend out this concealer. Do you hear? I'm not even pressing that hard, it just hurts. Oh my goodness. My whole face is shaking. Carpal tunnel, man. I got carpal tunnel. Oh, yeah. Baby. I do not recommend this thing to you. I don't recommend it. It's terrible. Well, now I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna tap into my air spun and I'm going to like press that into my skin. Oh, honey, where's my under eye? That is so yes. Oh, I'm stunning. I'm stunning. Now dust that off. Now we're gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics brush 114. We're gonna dip into the cooler tone right here. Well, it's like a messy contour, so you know, take it bronze. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna tap that where I don't want the contour to be, or like where I want to tone it down a wee bit, like right there and right there. And we're gonna take this highlighter brush, Morphe M510, look like this. We're gonna take the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. Broke this too on accident. That was an accident. I was really clumsy. I feel like Jeffree Star with this. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Matte Magic Misting Set and I'm gonna spray that. And then I'm gonna take the rose water and spray that too. I'm gonna take this rock again and I'm gonna tap this in. Oh my gosh, bro. Now we're gonna go back in with that mascara. I'm gonna take the number 1 side. I'm gonna apply that on my lower lashes. What should we do? Tell me. What should we do? What should I do for my lips? Come on, speak to me. Because my lips be cracking. Crack-a-lacking. Now we're going to go in with the NYX Lingerie in Lace Detail. Smells like booty. Looks like gorgeousness. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button, and give this video a big ol' thumbs up, because your girl wants some thumbs up, okay? And also comment down below if you want to say anything. It's up to you. Add me on Insta, add me on Snap, add me on Twitter, add me on Facebook, okay? Add me on everything. You can even add me on Pinterest. You already know. I'm out.